If you could talk to the kid that was just starting, you back then, what would you say to him now with what you know?
Get the help you need from people who've done this before. It's a natural thing in our industry to just kind of figure it out as you go. But there's peer groups. We belong to Remodelers Advantage. They're a great peer group for us. We've learned a ton from them. We went from being what I would say is a construction company that was just kind of scraping along to being a business that actually understands how it works and all of the ramifications from the whole picture. And you don't know that until you have somebody who can teach you about it. And, to start a paint company or to start a construction company doesn't take much. You just start it, and kind of you have to have a good tradesman or something like that. And you can find handyman work, and eventually you can kind of grow it from there. But kind of knowing that big picture thing at the beginning, it would have saved us a lot of heartache and a lot of headaches throughout the years.